When you're in the shower, do you wash yourself with a washcloth?
Do I wash myself with a washcloth?
Yeah, like put soap in it, lather it up, and then like you're washing your body with
I gotta
soap.
decide if I want to answer this. Does this question have anything to do with race?
N- Well, okay, so maybe is it a race thing? I don't
Was the
know.
TikTok like all black people
It was
use?
all the black people. It's okay. Yeah, all the black. Okay, I don't want to get canceled, but all the black people in the comments were like, "What the fuck? You don't use this." And I, as this like the whitest girl I'm like, "Am I supposed to be using a
Do
washcloth?"
you use washcloths?
No. Am I disgusting?
That's gross.
Oh my
I don't know.
god.
Yes, I use washcloths.
What about is a loofah okay?
A loofah is okay too. Yeah. Do you use a loofah?
Sometimes.
So then what do you wash with? Just your hand?
Yeah.
You just put soap in your hand and rub it on yourself, or you
Yeah.
like rub the bar on your skin?
I have my Dove and I squirt it in my hand and I go like this to activate all the soap and then I just rub it on myself.
Nah, man.